Snap your way to success. A step-by-step guide on getting targeted website traffic from Snapchat. Affiliate disclosure. Please note that if any links are clicked in the description and purchases are made, that it is assumed that the owner of this article, blog, website, channel may earn commissions. For additional tips and trainings with other social media platforms, please click on the links in the description to get a free Snapchat Marketing Masterclass course. So, Introduction to Snapchat as a marketing platform. Snapchat has emerged as one of the most popular social media platforms for millennials and Gen Z users. With its unique features like disappearing content and augmented reality filters, Snapchat provides a fun and engaging experience for its users. But did you know that Snapchat can also be a valuable platform for driving website traffic? In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to leverage Snapchat to attract targeted traffic to your website. Why Snapchat is a valuable platform for driving website traffic. Snapchat boasts a massive user base of over 280 million daily active users, making it an attractive platform for marketers. What sets Snapchat apart from other social media platforms is its highly engaged user base. Users spend an average of 30 minutes per day on the app, providing ample opportunity for businesses to capture their attention. Additionally, Snapchat offers various advertising options, including Snap Ads, sponsored lenses, and sponsored geo-filters, allowing businesses to target their ads to specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. This level of targeting ensures that your ads reach the right people, increasing the chances of driving traffic to your website. Understanding your target audience on Snapchat. Before diving into Snapchat marketing, it's crucial to understand your target audience on the platform. Snapchat's user base is predominantly young, with 75% of users aged 18 to 24. Understanding the demographics, interests, and preferences of your target audience will help you create content that resonates with them. To gain insights into your Snapchat audience, utilize the platform's analytics tools. These tools provide valuable data on metrics such as story views, engagement rates, and audience demographics. By analyzing this data, you can identify trends, preferences, and areas for improvement in your Snapchat marketing strategy. Creating engaging and shareable content on Snapchat. Snapchat is all about storytelling, so creating engaging and shareable content is key to attracting and retaining your audience's attention. Here are some tips for creating compelling Snapchat content. Keep it short and snappy. Snapchat's disappearing nature means that you have limited time to capture your audience's attention. Keep your content concise and engaging to ensure they stay hooked. Leverage augmented reality filters. Snapchat's AR filters allow you to add fun and interactive elements to your content. Experiment with filters that align with your brand and encourage users to engage with your content. Tell a story. Snapchat's story feature allows you to string together multiple snaps to create a narrative. Use this feature to tell a captivating story that keeps your audience engaged and wanting more. Leverage user-generated content. Encourage your followers to create and share content related to your brand. User-generated content not only increases engagement, but also expands your reach as your followers share their content with their networks. Utilizing Snapchat's features for website traffic generation. Snapchat offers several features that can help drive traffic to your website. Here are some ways to utilize these features effectively. Snap Ads. Snap Ads are full-screen vertical video ads that appear between users' stories. Use Snap Ads to showcase your products or services and include a call to action that prompts users to swipe up to visit your website. Sponsored lenses. Sponsored lenses allow users to add interactive filters to their snaps. Create a sponsored lens that aligns with your brand and encourages users to engage with your content. Include your website URL or a call to action within the lens to drive traffic to your website. Sponsored geo-filters. Sponsored geo-filters are location-based filters that users can apply to their snaps. Create a geo-filter for a specific event or location and encourage users to use it. This not only increases brand visibility, but also drives traffic as users share their snaps with the geo-filter applied. Leveraging influencers on Snapchat to reach a wider audience. Influencer marketing has become an essential strategy for brands looking to expand their reach on social media. Leveraging influencers on Snapchat can help you tap into their engaged audience and drive traffic to your website. Here's how you can collaborate with influencers on Snapchat. Identify relevant influencers. Look for influencers in your niche who have a significant following on Snapchat. Pay attention to their engagement rates and the alignment between their audience and your target audience. Reach out to influencers. Once you've identified relevant influencers, reach out to them with a personalized message explaining why you'd like to collaborate. Offer them incentives, such as free products, discounts, or commissions to encourage them to promote your brand. Collaborate on content creation. Work with influencers to create engaging content that showcases your brand and includes a call to action to visit your website. This could be in the form of sponsored snaps or takeovers where the influencer takes control of your Snapchat account for a day. Tracking and analyzing your Snapchat website traffic. Tracking and analyzing your Snapchat website traffic is essential to measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Here are some tools and metrics to help you track and analyze your Snapchat website traffic. SnapPixel. SnapPixel is Snapchat's conversion tracking tool. It allows you to track and measure the actions users take on your website after interacting with your Snapchat ads. Install SnapPixel on your website to gain insights into conversions, revenue, and return on ad spend. Snapchat Analytics. Snapchat offers in-app analytics that provide valuable insights into your story views, engagement rates, and audience demographics. Use these analytics to identify trends and optimize your content strategy. Google Analytics. Integrate your Snapchat campaign with Google Analytics to track website traffic, bounce rates, and conversions. Set up UTM parameters to attribute traffic specifically from Snapchat. Tips for optimizing your Snapchat marketing strategy. To maximize the effectiveness of your Snapchat marketing strategy, consider the following tips. Consistency is key. Regularly post content on Snapchat to keep your audience engaged and build brand loyalty. Consistency helps establish your brand identity and keeps your followers coming back for more. Experiment with different content formats. Snapchat offers various content formats like photos, videos, and augmented reality filters. Experiment with different formats to see what resonates best with your audience and drives more traffic to your website. Collaborate with other brands. Partnering with complementary brands can help you expand your reach and attract new audiences. Cross-promote each other's content and include links to each other's websites to drive traffic. Conclusion and final thoughts on driving targeted website traffic from Snapchat. Snapchat is not just a platform for sharing disappearing photos and videos. It's also a powerful marketing tool for driving targeted website traffic. By understanding your target audience, creating engaging content, utilizing Snapchat's features, leveraging influencers, and tracking your website traffic, you can unlock the potential of Snapchat as a traffic generation channel. So start snapping your way to success and watch your website traffic soar. Start leveraging Snapchat for your business today and see the difference it makes in driving targeted website traffic. Don't miss out on this opportunity to connect with a highly engaged audience. Get started now. For more tips and training, please visit the link in the description for more details. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies on building and generating targeted website traffic.